smoke blows out. Wish me luck. Dude, it is so smoky out. The AQI has to be at least 300 where I am. Visibility's like a quarter mile. At this point, racing for me is a hard no. This is awful. Good morning. Good morning. It's 2:47 in the morning. It's about 80 degrees in our motel room. We have no power. If there was a race this morning, well, if there wasn't a race this morning, we wouldn't know because we have no cell service. We're just gonna drive to the start early and hope for the best. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's no running water either. So good thing big brain Brett over here though brought a full thermos of coffee because he wasn't gonna have the energy to make it this morning at 2:30. So I've been drinking lukewarm gas station coffee all morning, except I can't blow up this bathroom because the toilet won't flush. I guess, well, that would be extremely rude to do. So we're just gonna head to the start a little bit early.
All right. I think you're gonna crush it. Less than 1 minute for on-time start at 4 a.m. We are so excited to see you guys out there.
We're both gonna crush it.
On the way and back here at the finish.
Waldo 100k. Here we go. Alright, 7 miles, hour and 4 minutes into the Waldo 100k. I don't know what this actually looks like. We'll see. No, I'm not taking any risks. It's still dark out. I got another 30-40 minutes of darkness. The race started. The smoke blew out. We had no power this morning. That was funny. A little bit of chaos. But we're out here. Hopefully the weather can stay all right. It's been an awesome section of trail. Transitioning to the Fuji trail climb. So just chilling on a dirt road right now. I don't know what place I'm in. I don't really care. Whole goal is to stay upright during the dark. So that's what we're doing. And I gotta make sure I don't miss any turns now. So, bye-bye. Thank you. I made it out of the darkness. I only rolled my ankle like 6 times. And the air smells very nice up here. So I'm gonna take advantage of that while I can. Making our way up Fuji Mountain. I think it's Fiji? Fuji-san. Here we come. Lake. Did not expect to have a view up here. Thought it would be all socked in. Oh. Lake. Almost to the top of Fuji. We head back down, hit the Fuji aid station again. Then I think I got to drop at the next one, Mount Ray. I'm keeping it pretty steady, pretty chill. remembering that I didn't actually run that much before the race, so trying to be realistic. In the words of Augustus's mom, save some room for later. Bye-bye now. All right. Ooh.
Excellent.
How about that? Oh, wow. Cruising on our way to the Mount Ray aid station, mile 20. Ooh, a little downhill. Oh, my favorite trees are blooming with green little Grinch fingers. Okay. Lake. Figured I'd take this time. Feel a conversational pace. Fit check. We got the trails and tarmac. 5-panel hat. The Gooder double OG. Worst name ever because it just looks like the Oog. It was like Professor Oog or Dr. Oog or something like that. Anyways, on Ultra T is my go-to for anything important now. Pack, new pack company, give them a follow. Be on the lookout for products from them coming soon. Tantrums, Brooks High Point short, full waistband of pockets, and we got features, Elite Mini Crew, and the Hoka Tecton X3. Full review coming soon. So Tecton, wow, look at these trees. They're so mossy. How cool is this? Oh, I'm so glad it's not smoky and shitty right now. 4-hour check-in. I am 22 and a half miles in. I think that's maybe like 11-ish hour pace. It feels comfortable. Feels good. Can't believe we got an overcast day. Beautiful trail. As you can see, I have tilted my hat a little bit to the side, trying to channel my inner Hal Kerner and roll some of these cruiser miles because it looks like home, feels like home. 5-hour check-in. I'm at 29 miles. That last, I just climbed for like 7 miles at just like pure douche grade, and I'm so glad that I had the legs to just jog that whole thing, or else that would have taken forever. I think I'm cruising down to the aid station at the 50k mark. I'm in a little pocket of smoke right now. Not too bad. It's giving me a little tummy ache that happens to me in the smoke. And still continuing to eat all right. Just trying to stay in my lane, you know? Okay. This is where we're at right now. Oh, look. I don't know if that's a lake. Pond. Lake. Big lake. 6-hour check-in. I feel like I'm on the moon, going through a burn scar. Oh, I'm exiting it, at least for now. So thankful for the cloud cover those last few miles, because it would have been completely exposed Like 34 miles in. Legs are still feeling pretty good. A couple little aches and pains, but honestly, I was thinking they'd be worse at this point. So kudos to past Brett for going out nice and conservative. Actually having to pay attention a little more on this section of the trail. So, oh, and it's good again. Well, bye-bye now. I'm getting rained on. How about that? How about that? All right, just passed the mile 37 aid station. It was awesome. I grabbed my second drop bag, and my pack is freaking loaded now. It is so heavy, but big dog's gotta eat. Still beautiful. Seven-hour check-in. Just ticked over 40 miles a couple minutes ago. Dude, my knees are starting to blow. Same knee issues that were bugging me at Black Canyon and Javelina. Might have to get some imaging done. I think there's enough climbing though in the second half to break it up. It's really all the more runnable stuff that's bugging it, which was honestly the last like 25 miles was just like very gentle rolling up and down. I should be running this right now, but little break. Main goal is to finish. I don't want to totally destroy myself, although I really want to get this finish in. I think it'll be okay. Bye-bye. Almost 8-hour update. As you can see, I'm walking down a hill and my knees, they hurt, but I can actually run on them. Barely, about 10-minute pace to my max. But my freaking stomach is just destroyed. And I've noticed this before too when I run and it's a little too smoky. My stomach goes. So I'm trying to just spend a few minutes, really low heart rate, see if things can unwind. Because it kind of sucks. Less than a mile to the next aid station. And then I think I descend out of that aid station and then you start the Maiden Peak climb, which is the final climb of the day. But then you have like a 10-mile descent or something after that. We could be out here for a minute. To be continued. We've hit an aid station. I'm gonna turn this off because I actually gotta focus. I thought the Maiden Peak climb was 5 miles. It's only 3. It's 5 to the next aid station. It's PB&J time. Gels are not doing it anymore. I've been going too slow for too long. Two dudes in cow print shorts just ripped by me. Bye-bye. I'm gonna make it to the finish. My knee can go uphill. And I can actually run down steep, downhill. Activates the quad like just right. Last 5 miles were flat. Oh, that freaking sucked. There's this knee-capped 12-minute pace. Finally, I get to just hike. So I'm gonna put this away. Bust the poles out. See you at the top of the mountain. Almost at the top of Maiden Peak. Dude, this shit's really steep. We're almost there though. So glad my knee has been okay for hiking. So I've at least been able to move. Curious about this downhill to the finish, but I know we're gonna get there. Oh, 10 hours. Here we go. Oh, I'm so glad there's views. Seventh place. That was the last climb. Now I've got like 10 miles of descending to the finish. Oh man, my knee is pissed. This is gonna take a while, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna wait there, but let's take a moment to look at this view. Everybody needs to go run Waldo. It's pretty amazing. Lake. Ouch. Well, just went through the last aid station and now I have 7 miles to the finish, mostly downhill. Normally I would be very happy about this, but I might just have to walk some sections out. Oh, okay. We're gonna finish though. Lake.
Finish line. This is Brett Hornig from Ashland, Oregon. Brett's a two-time Western States 100 finisher. Now he is a one-time Waldo 100k finisher. 12 hours, 19 minutes, and 14 seconds.
Yeah, Brett, good job, man.
Damn. That one destroyed me. Yeah. I took an hour and 45 minutes from the last aid station.
That's getting the view.
Yeah.
Checking out the lakes. And you
Yeah.
didn't go swimming
You
in
guys
the
want to
lakes.
get out of the rain?
No, it's too cold.
Just informed by Grayson that they actually.
Dude, this was one of the things that kept me going.
So we are off.
Oh man, that's an awesome hat.
Visit the burrito bar.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I've been keeping
Burrito to eat, and then feel free to head inside to the ladder.
Okay. Few quick post-race reflections. I am actually pretty damn proud of that effort because I did a great job of like mentally keeping it together when I knew that the deck was stacked against me. All the parents out there that go and just like smash their races, hats off to you. You guys are amazing. What else? I gotta figure out this knee. That's definitely the other thing. Fueling was pretty good when my stomach worked. I think it was the smoke that jacked up my stomach. I've had that happen to me before, and there was a couple times on the course where I went through some pockets and like my stomach just like totally went inside out. But yeah, I mean, I'm proud of the finish. It definitely wasn't the day I was expecting, but it's the day that I got, and I think I did a pretty good job managing it. So it's the Waldo 100k. I don't know what's next. Maybe just review some shoes for a while. See everyone in the next one.